Okay, so today I'm going to demonstrate the product of the KIKUSUI digital power meter. Model number is KPM1000. So basically, this product being used in the production line to check the load consumption of any electronic product or any. Suppose you want to measure some other different parameters like voltage, kilowatt. What is the total power consumption in the load when it is running and when it is not running. So we have a different four display A, display B, display C, display D. All display having the different settings, so you can check there. Like right now it is a voltage, so by pressing continuous you can switch the different parameters to want to measure that electrical settings like current. This is kilowatt settings, this is a voltage peak, so this is a current peak. So you have multiples you have parameters to check any product during the runtime in any electronic product like a refrigerator, washing machine, or some very high power consumption electronics. That can be also checked during the testing. We have also features to check the integrating of the electronic product. When you start and stop this signal, then you will check the total power consumption in hours. So what the total power consumption is showing, according to that you can mark the total power consumption. So okay, so this is a 4 display. This is a voltage range. You can change the different voltage. So we have a upper range that is 300 volt. So this is a maximum range. High currents, the total maximum current is 20 amperes. So this line can be increased by using some current transformer. So that thing need to be checked. So what are the current you have a requirement, accordingly you can change the CT probe. This is a configuration related to instruments like RS-232 to some low pass filter. So you can read it by referring the user manual. Okay, this is the integration part. So once it will start, it will calculate the power consumption depend upon the loads. So this is a hold system, like you want to hold the reading, so it will holds. So then in that case it will not fluctuate any readings. Okay, so this setting is provided. This is remote setting. Basically when the power meter is connected with the system, that time this remote indication will be start glowing. So means that time you cannot change anything from the instrument itself. So by pressing the local switch you can make the disconnect between the system and the power meters. After that you can change whatever you need to change in the readings. Okay, so you can also add some digital indications like over voltage, current, average, low pass filter, CT, PT. CT means constant transformer, current transformer. PC means pulse transformer to increase the voltage capacity in the input side to measure the power consumption in any electronic devices. Okay, so I'll just make some wiring. You can check it here. So this load, they are connected. They make the input wiring in the input side of this blower. Okay, so when blower is running, that time we can check here what is the power consumption during the runtime of this blower. So this is connectivity in the input side of the blower. Also in the back side, one power cord is connected to switch on this power meter. Another power cord is connected to operate the blower. So it is shown in the back side. Okay, you can check here. So this is one plus and minus. One is going in the power section, same going on the this is a 3 pin junction point that where blower is connected, and on the U section going to this plus minus. Okay, same thing will be going in this load sections, and one phase voltage coming to the other part, that same will be come to the plus minus section. So this all diagram is provided in the user manual, so you can easily check all the settings, how the connection is made. This power cord is connected to the main line. Okay, so I think between this and this the blower is connected. This power cord for the power meter to operate the internally functions. Okay, so I will start the blower. I will check the total power consumptions. So right now there's all three displays blank. Once the voltage is showing, so I'm going to make some other things. One is voltage, one is hours, this is kilowatt, this is a current. So that is the main for this major parameters required to check the any electronic device, the power consumption. So I'm going to start this blower. So please check the link. So when the blower is running, you can check here the current and the power also. Check. Okay, so you can switch to here also. So when we start the integrations, it will start calculating the kilo hours and something like that. So I am starting. So you can check the kilowatt per hour. So you can use it to measure some input or current to any electronic device. Here is a basic circuit diagram. To whenever you're making some internal diagram or making the wiring of the any electronic load, so you can refer this for this phase. It is also available in the user manual of this KIKUSUI power meter. So any query, please contact to us. We will help you in the wiring as well as in the operating instructions. Thank you.